Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use common English prepositions like at, in, on, by, for, and of. With clear examples, you'll understand when and how to use each one correctly in everyday English. At the airport. At the office. At the bus stop. At 7 o'clock. At home. At night. At the door. At the weekend. At the traffic light. In a car. In the garden. In a box. In June. In the morning. In a room. In a city. In the future. In the box. On a bus. On the table. On the left. On Monday. On the wall. On television. On a website. On my birthday. On the weekend. By car. By myself. By accident. By the door. By hand. By email. By train. By tomorrow. By Friday. For you. For a while. For sure. For example. For fun. For work. For free. For lunch. For a few days. A glass of water. A cup of coffee. A bit of sugar. A piece of bread. A bag of rice. A cup of tea. Full of energy. A bottle of juice. A slice of pizza. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and follow for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.